how to make non-alcoholic drinks. So, as you can imagine, with a non-alcoholic drink, with many mixed drinks, you can just take the alcohol out and still have a drink that tastes great, but you won't be feeling the effects of the alcohol. So, very common mixed drink, a Shirley Temple. And this is a good one for the kids. All you're doing is adding Sprite, and some grenadine. Not too heavy on the grenadine. Don't want those kids bouncing off the walls. Now, this is a common alcoholic drink too. If you were to add vodka, it would be a dirty Shirley, but here is a Shirley Temple. So, with your juices, you can make anything really. Pineapple juice, grapefruit juice, orange juice. You could mix the three of those together, add some soda water for a little, little kick, and you'd have a great non-alcoholic drink. Because you don't have any alcohols, it's a lot easier to make a non-alcoholic drink because you're just mixing juices, and most juices, no matter how you mix them, go really well together.